Hello friend, are you looking information about flamingo bird? You landed on right place. Today we are going to know more about flamingos. In this video I will tell you more about flamingo bird, like what flamingo eats, what are favorite food of flamingo, how long a flamingo live in the wild, how long or tall are flamingo and what do they look like. What do you call a flamingo flamingus? What kind of feathers does a flamingo have, and much more. So stay tuned as it's going to be very informative video for you. But first, a word of introduction. Today, I tell you why flamingo bird is one of beautiful bird on this planet. Here are some facts. Believe it or not, flamingo are often seen standing on one leg, and you will surprised to know they sleep on one leg too. You know what? Flamingo are famous for their bright pink feathers too, which give them beautiful look. Another fact about flamingo is, aside from that, one thing for sure, flamingos lay just one egg in clutch. And you know what? Why they have pink feathers? And they have it due to their food which contain carotene. That's why they have pink feather. Uh, Apart from that, do you know one fact is they have web feet, and just because of it, they move across like through its surface. So, what are the most common question about flamingo birds? Here are the most common things people want to know about flamingo. The first question people ask, what kind of feathers does a flamingo have? As I said, they have pink feather which look very beautiful. What flamingo eats? Most of time they eat fish, leech and insect are flamingo favorite food choice. People used to ask how long flamingo wingspans. Most of time size of wingspan is like 100 cm to 179 cm or so. And next question people ask are where flamingo lives or habitat. Most of time they live in a large lakes and plantless lagoons. Another question people ask, what do you think who are flamingo predators? Most of time the answer is eagle, human, wild dogs. Most of time they kill them. Next question comes is, what is flamingo favorite diet? In my research I found they most of time they eat omnivore. So what other question they have? Like do they live alone? No, big no. They love to live in a flock. Next question is, how long does a flamingo live in the wild? The answer is these birds can live from 20 to 30 years in a wild and most of times lives in a flock containing thousands of birds. So what makes them, unique? Here is something interesting things about flamingo physical appearance. The fact is flamingo bird have multiple color in their breed, like pink, blue, orange are the common colors in flamingo birds. Another fact is, like I said, they have pink feathers and their running top speed is approximately 30 miles per hour. An average weight of young flamingo bird could be 2 kg to 3 kg or so. In lbs, it should be near 4.2 lbs to 8.6 lbs. As far as height is concerned, most of time it's found that flamingo birds have 100 cm to 150 cm height. Finally, hope my friend you found this information interesting and it helps you to. If you like my video, please hit like button and subscribe for more information. Used to make video like this. Thank you for your time. Hope enjoy your day.